Today I'm showing you a fantastic way on how you can make $50 or more based on the time and effort you're going to put on this, just from the comfort of the house on passive income, recurring $50 coming every single day, just setting up this one time and having it running for you. Passive income from the comfort of your house. I'm going to show you in a bit how you're going to do it. But before we go ahead and start this video, as always, if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button following the video all the way down to the end. And if you like the content of the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up. So with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start the video today. Today's video is about a website called teachable.com. All the links as always going to be listed on the description below, so you can get everything from there. And what Teachable does, guys, is very similar like a previous video I've shown you about udemy.com, and you can use both websites in order to create and sell different courses online. As I told you from a video I did on Udemy, you don't need to be an expert or to have your own course. You can use websites like Fiverr.com, or if you are good on a specific subject, you can create your own course, post it once here, you can post it in Udemy, and you can have it just promote the link, and you can have money coming in every single day from people buying the course. So what is teachable.com? It's like create and sell beautiful online courses. Your skills and experiences are unique and valuable. Easy and build a beautiful course website, share your knowledge and be rewarded for it. Guys, it's very well designed site, very easy to use. As you can see, everything is teachable, which is correct. Over 22,000 instructors, which means users are using the site at the moment in order to share these courses, and you can see so far over 100 million USD dollars have been earned by using this website. So that's why I wanted to show you, because it's most of the people are aware of udemy.com, but the difference on this one is that you can get 100% of your money back on this one. Like Udemy has a lot of commission fees in order to do. So what I would like you to do is click on the link to come to the teachable.com, and you can click on the top menu where it says examples in order to see an example of different people using their site. So you can see the different categories like digital scrapbooking, VR, sites, Sketchmaster, make fabulous cake. Who doesn't love cakes and sweets, guys? So you can see a course here. If you are good in cooking, you can create a cooking course. So if you are a mom or a dad and you like to make cakes for your kids, this is a example of people creating courses, and you can see $49, $25, $147, and this will be occurring money coming to your site. So this is one way, make fabulous cakes site, and you can see it's 49, so $50 will be coming in and in at all time from people buying this course. So you can scroll down, very beautiful website, very beautiful laid out, and a lot of people, I'm sure that if they're looking to make cakes, they will come here. So this is it, guys. This is what I wanted to show you. You can see a very easy laid out here, so you can join for free, put your info, and you can create a course if you are good in something specific. Or as I told you, you can use websites like Fiverr.com and request them to create something on a specific niche, and you can put it on their site here on teachable.com, set it up once and have it up running. All you want to do is to promote your link here and there on different sites. And a great example on where you can go and promote this with a small advertising budget is to use Facebook, which is the most popular social media out there, and you can use the advertising feature of Facebook, and you can target people based on categories. So if, for example, you want to find people that they want to make cakes, you can just go ahead and, let's say, for example, you can target moms, you can target cooking, you can target cakes and all this, and you can go and spend a few dollars on advertising and push it to these people. So this is what I want to show you guys. Occurring $50 coming in your pocket every single day by just setting something similar as this one. Now, this is a very good way to make some money, and based on the time and effort you're going to put on this, it can bring you a lot of money as well. But if you want to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make passive income from the comfort of your house, don't forget to click the link below, guys, in the description, and you can get all the information from there, and it will definitely change your income like it changed mine. This is what I wanted to show you guys today. If you like the content of this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe if you haven't already. I want you to be part of my channel because I'm learning a lot as well from your side as well. This is a video from today's guy. Give it a shot, start making some money today, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.